In this video, we are going to see that if you come across a problem like this which says Windows could not configure one or more system components to install Windows, restart the computer and then restart the installation. So that might be a very frustrating issue for all of you guys. Let's see how we can quickly resolve that. Now, to demonstrate this scenario, because during the installation, we are stuck somewhere in the process and we cannot log into the Windows to manually select the option. So here's what you do. We hold the Shift key and then press the F10 key. In some cases, you might need to hold the function key as well. So Shift plus Fn and then press F10, which will take you to the command prompt quickly, even if you are in the middle of the setup. From here, we will write regedit, hit enter, and this will open the registry editor for you. Here, we will go to the H key local machine and we go to the system. And from here, we select setup, expand it, select status, expand it, child completion. And on the right hand side, we have the setup.exe, right? So we just double click on it. And let's say it is set to 1. We have to set it to 3. Click OK. Close out of here and it will redirect you to the error itself like this one. So you just press OK and then it will immediately continue the restart process and the Windows will smoothly continue without showing you any error after that. So hope this helps. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.